Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna L. This is a rear entry, brand new conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. To operate these clamps here, we pinch and we flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, we pinch and we flip. Very simple to do. You can see here I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. This is a 43-inch super wide bariatric ramp. It's about 13 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul wider chairs, this might be the answer for you. Weighs about a gallon of milk. Little larger ramp, weighs a little bit more, but still very simple to do. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of the vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, which might be snowdrift this time of year. And they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to a rear entry, but I do carry the side entries and full size as well. So if you're looking for one of those, give me a holler. Again, 1,000 pound weight capacity, got about 56 inches of room coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper at about 41 inches of width here where the ramp sets. And it's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. It's got your spare tire there. We can even put a 3rd row seat that would flip down, so you can potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. And as you can see, it does taper up to about 36 inches of channel there up at the front. So if you have a super wide chair, it might have to sit in back here a little bit, but it does allow the bariatrics. Got the 2nd row bench seat, 2nd row jump seats, 25.5 inches of room between those. We can put a bench seat in here, a 3-person bench seat instead. That 2 of them will flip up over here. The passenger side will flip up just 1, so you could haul 5 people plus a wheelchair in the back. My point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your brand new Q-Straint tie downs there. Got your shoulder harness over here. Got your rear air controls. Your warranty and tie down information there. Dash is great, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics. You got cup holders here. You got cup holders over in the passenger and driver's door panels there. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process, and you are ready to roll. Now, our brand new conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you, oh, we have a much better built conversion than they do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Most of them are going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. So if theirs stops at 36,000 miles, ours goes unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Tinted windows on the van, it's got the alloy wheels. We just put 4 brand new Yokohama tires on this van. Brand new, as and they don't even have 5 miles on them. So 4 brand new tires, and we went with a nice name brand Yokohama on the tires on the rear. Correction, 2 brand new Yokohamas on the rear. The front had Uniroyals on it that were darn near brand new. So the front are Uniroyal, the rear are Yokohama, both nice name brand tires. And we're a Yokohama dealer, so I didn't have two new Uniroyals laying around. But it's got 4 essentially brand new tires on it. Very clean van. And I'm trying to find little dents or scratches. I see there's a couple possible rock chips there, a little touch-up paint. But overall, as you can see by the pictures and the video, very clean van. We have a PDR guy that comes in, paintless dent repair, looks over all of our vans. And I hand select every single one of our vans. I'm the owner. I'm buying from the perspective you are. This is my investment. This is my money. I'm not some guy clicking buttons at a desk. That I don't care if I buy a good one. I don't care if I buy a bad one. These are my vehicles, my investment. I want a good, clean title. I want a nice, clean van. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video. Not just a picture, a video of that VIN number right there. Saw a guy on Facebook Marketplace the other day. Someone told me he was selling one of my vans for $8,200. Even produced a title, a fake title, of course, and it had a nice story how he loved helping old people. Well, that was a $45,000 van. He was trying to scam somebody to send him some money. So if you were to say to him, hey, show me a video of that VIN number, he couldn't have done it because he didn't have the van. He was trying to scam somebody. Get you a video of that VIN number. All right, well, we do with that VIN number, a Carfax in every one of our vehicles. See 2 owners, no accidents or damage, 7 service history records, As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss, so this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, no accidents. Structural damage, never been structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage, and no open recalls. You can also see the vehicle has been serviced regularly by what looks like a Toyota dealer. So a nice clean van, good service history, good title history. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews, find us on eBay. 1,495 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100% positive feedback. So I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google, make sure they are a real company. You can find us here and say we've been in business 12 years, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time. They tell me stories about how those horror stories they bought from a private individual off Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. They can't get a title because the vehicle was stolen, or they bought a vehicle with a flood damage, or they buy from these dealers, you know, with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. They didn't bother doing their due diligence and taking 30 seconds to look them up on Google. Yeah, so if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, go ahead and do business with those people. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. It's got 1 key, 1 fob. If you want us to get additional fobs and keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. Inside the van, it's got the cloth seats here. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Interior is pretty darn clean. In the back here, just give me a little different perspective. It's got the vinyl seats in the second row, so if you get a spill or any moisture on those, it's easy to clean up. And when I go to start up the van, it does have the keyless entry, by the way. 39,944 miles, as Carfax shows, original miles. Currently has a full tank of gas. Get your backup camera there. Works great. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show those working. We test the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Check the tires, take them on a road test. My point is, wrong button. That button might help if you do the right button. My point is, we do not just start running through the car wash and throw them on the lot. I hope you can tell by my videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any fluid leaks like that, no signs of any rust from being in a flood or water damage, no signs of being up north, up where the rust belt is. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used cars. They assume things. They assume just because it has 39,000 miles on it, they think it runs and drives great. They assume that it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that is the absolute most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle. So what I do want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition, whether it's a private individual or it's another dealer. And I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from a reputable person on the other end of that phone or computer? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get out on their hands and knees and even bother taking a picture, much less detailed videos of the undercarriage, so you can see it hasn't been in a flood, it has no major accident, no bending of the frame or anything like that? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you exactly what you're getting, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a van that's got if you can't get a title for it, or one that's got frame damage from a flood or an accident? If you can't get a title for it, if it won't pass inspection, you can't drive it. You just bought a paperweight. So to avoid that, to avoid getting scammed, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Make sure, prove that they have the vehicle in their hand and it's what they say they are. Have them put their heart and soul into it, just like I do every single one of my vehicles. Second, demand a Carfax report. Don't settle for some cheap imposter. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfaxes, but I do it because they're the best. And again, I'm buying from the perspective you are. I'm the owner of this company. What I buy, it matters to me. I want good stuff. Third, do your due diligence. We talked about this. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reviews, make sure they are a real company. that you're not getting scammed. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't get scammed. And finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our product. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the van out on a test drive. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives like a brand new Toyota. And do keep in mind, we do have our 90-day complimentary warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell longer term warranties, bumper to bumper factory type warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add it up to shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, well, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, being upfront and transparent is key, but especially the used car business. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video, to be 100% transparent. So keep that in mind while you're out shopping. And I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake, and as you will see, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a phone call or a text message, I am the owner. Here's how to get a hold of me: 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. Now, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to end up in somebody's voicemail through an automated system, never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super aggressive, annoying used car salesman, well, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish. I promise you, I'm going to sell the Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And hey, if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, and I try to be as thorough and transparent as possible. Give us a thumbs up on YouTube. That would help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos. And if you do want to come in to see us, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. If I'm out doing something like this, or I'm at an auction, I'm not going to be there to help you. You've wasted your trip. So happy to spend some time with you. Please make sure you make that appointment with us. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most transparent and most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.